What's up, electric gardeners? This is a new channel devoted to my experiences using electric tools for and around the garden. Bit of background first. I have a few gardens to maintain, some of which have big lawns, and I'd been using a relatively cheap mower, the Garden Care LM56 SP, with a 56cm cutting deck, and this had served my purposes well whilst looking after the one lawn. But after adding another lawn of a similar size, it meant the mower really wasn't up to it. After 4 years it failed, about 3 weeks ago, July 2020. I cleaned the carb, replaced the oil and got generally dirty, so I decided to switch to a battery mower. But which one? Well, there are a lot on the market now, but for 3,000 square metres of lawn it needs to have at least a 55cm deck if I don't want to be mowing all day, and I really don't. So we have a number of good choices here: Hyundai, Ego, Toro, Greenworks and Stihl. But Stihl don't do a 50+ centimetre deck residential mower in the UK, and the new Ego isn't available here yet. And I also ruled out the Ego due to its plastic deck. The Hyundai and Greenworks, well, they were 51 centimetres, so smaller than my current mower, which added more mowing time. So I looked around at the commercial Stihl mower at cutting deck of 63 centimetres and thought that's a contender. So it became a shootout between the Toro and the commercial Stihl. Another key factor in this equation was speed of delivery. It had already been 2 weeks since I'd been able to mow the lawns in question, and I needed a mower relatively quickly as we pushed into the third, and the Toro was out of stock for at least 14 days, so it fell to the Stihl 765. Next question was batteries. On a budget of £2,000 or $2,500 for the mower and the batteries and the adapters, so buying the AR batteries was out of question really. Even though they had a much greater range, it would have really blown the budget. So I went for 2 APS 300 batteries, the adapter and a fast charger. I ordered it from the guys at Garden Machines Direct in Worcestershire. A few days later it arrived. And when you're buying into these battery mowers, you're effectively buying into the battery ecosystem. Ego, Greenworks and Stihl all offer multiple machines that work off their batteries. But is the Stihl RMA 765 good for large residential mowing? Well, that's what we're going to find out. But hold on to your horses. Let's unbox this beast first.